Iran's domestically manufactured Simorgh military transport aircraft began official flight testing at Shahin Shahr on October 28, 2025. Iran's Civil Aviation Organization stated that the aircraft must complete 100 flight hours under various conditions before receiving final approval to join the national fleet, both civil and military. The successful Simorgh test flight was a milestone described as the culmination of more than 15 years of development efforts. The Simorgh is a twin turboprop tactical transport aircraft designed and built by HESA in Shahin Shahr. It is adapted from the civilian version of the Iran 140, licensed produced Antonov and 140 from Ukraine. Interestingly, the Simorgh has received a major modification in the form of a ramp door at the rear. This ramp is compatible with 463L pallets, accommodates light vehicles and holds 52 troops and up to 24 stretchers for medical evacuation. For its specifications, the aircraft has a length of approximately 23 meters, a wingspan of 25 meters, and a height of 8 meters. Meanwhile, in terms of performance, the Simorgh is capable of carrying a payload of 6 tons, a range of 3,900 kilometers, a top speed of around 533 kilometers per hour, and a maximum takeoff weight of around 21.5 tons. The Simorgh requires takeoff and landing distances of approximately 1,450 and 900 meters, respectively. The aircraft uses a possibly re-engineered Klimov TV-3-117 engine, a well-known 2,500 horsepower turboprop engine widely used in various former Soviet aircraft designs. The presence of the Simorgh is reportedly to replace the aging Fokker F-27 and C-130H aircraft belonging to the Islamic Republic of Iran Air Force. In its class, the Simorgh will compete directly with the Airbus PTDI CN-235, Italy's Leonardo C-27 Spartan, and Ukraine's Antonov An-26.